2014 Aluminium Alloy. 2014 Aluminium Alloy aluminum is an aluminium-based alloy often used in the aerospace industry. It is easily machined in certain tempers and among the strongest available aluminium alloys, as well as having high hardness. However, it is difficult to weld, as it is subject to cracking. 2014 is the second most popular of the 2000 series aluminium alloys, after 2024 aluminium alloy. It is commonly extruded and forged. The corrosion resistance of this alloy is particularly poor. To combat this, it is often clad with pure aluminium. If unclad 2014 aluminium is to be exposed to the elements, it should be painted as a corrosion protection measure. Prior to the adoption of the Aluminum Association alloy designations in 1954, 2014 was known by the industry conventional designation 14S. Chemical composition. The alloy composition of 2014 is aluminium, remainder, chromium 0.1% max, copper 3.9%, 5%, iron 0.7% max, magnesium 0.2%, 0.8%, manganese 0.4%, 1.2%, remainder each 0.5% max, remainder total 0.15% max, silicon 0.5%, 1.2%, titanium 0.15% max, titanium plus zinc 0.2% max, zinc 0.25% max. 2014 aluminium alloy. 2014 is an alloy of aluminium that is very similar but not entirely identical to 2014. Because of the naming similarity, the two can be confused. The alloy composition of 2014 is aluminium, remainder, chromium 0.1% max, copper 3.9%, 5%, iron 0.5% max versus 0.7 for 2014, magnesium 0.2%, 0.8%, manganese 0.4%, 1.2%, remainder each 0.5% max, remainder total 0.15% max, silicon 0.5%, 0.9% versus 0.5 1.2 for 2014, titanium 0.15% max, titanium plus zinc 0.2% max, zinc 0.25% max. Properties. Typical material properties for 2014 aluminium alloy are density 2.80 G/cm3 or 175 lb/ft3, Young's modulus 73 GPa or 11 MSI, electrical conductivity 34 to 50% IX, ultimate tensile strength 190 to 480 MPa or 28 to 70 KSI, thermal conductivity 130 to 190 W/Mk, thermal expansion 23 mm/Mk. Standards. 2014 aluminium alloy is discussed in the following standards. ASTM B209, Standard Specification for Aluminium and Aluminium Alloy Sheet and Plate. ASTM B210, Standard Specification for Aluminium and Aluminium Alloy Drawn Seamless Tubes. ASTM B211, Standard Specification for Aluminium and Aluminium Alloy Bar, Rod, and wire 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 and wire. ASTM B221, Standard Specification for Aluminium and Aluminium Alloy Extruded Bars, Rods, Wire, Profiles, and Tubes.